Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Windows installer service could not be accessed. This can occur if the Windows installer is not correctly installed error. In Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to open the folder, double click on the registry file, select run, select yes, select yes, have been successfully added to the registry. Click on this OK option, and now you need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.